Hello everyone, today we're making this apple ornament craft. This will be the last craft of the summer, so I hope you guys like it. Let's get our supplies gathered. First, you'll need 2 pieces of red construction paper. They're going to be 1.5 inches wide and 9 inches long. Next, you'll need some twine, a white piece of paper. I've already drawn an apple shape on it for later. Green construction paper leaves, five apple seed shapes. I've colored a black marker on top of white paper for that. A pair of scissors for cutting your things out. A hot glue gun and the glue that goes with it. So let's get started. First, you'll take your 2 strips of paper, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold one end over and then behind. If you guys have ever made construction paper fans, you'll fold it just like that. And you'll do that for the entirety of this strip of paper. Once that's done, it's going to accordion out just like this. And you're going to do the same exact thing with that second strip of paper. Make sure the folds are fairly even, just to keep it all even. Now that you've got both of those done, what you're going to do next is you're going to place them together so that it looks like when you fold it together, it could be one strip of paper, because we are going to glue them together. So it's one long piece. So take your glue gun, put some glue just right on the side there, and carefully press them together. Now it's in one big long piece. And now that it's dried and cooled down a little bit, you're going to do the next part, which is going to be a little difficult. You're going to squish it all together like this, and you're going to want to make it look like this, a little wheel. And how you're going to do that is you're going to take it and slowly open it just like this. Almost. Alright, and you're going to glue those touching pieces together. So I'm just going to bring it back a little bit and try and hold the shape at the same time. Like I said, you're going to put some hot glue there. So take your hot glue gun and put some glue there. And then very carefully, this is probably the hardest part of this craft, very carefully bring those 2 edges together. Oop, see, it's getting away from me already. And just press them together until it cools down a little bit. And there we go. Okay, now what you're going to do next, you need to hold it just like this, and you need to put hot glue in the center. So take your hot glue gun and make a circle of glue just like this, so it will stay in its circular shape. Then you're going to wait for it to dry a little bit. it's dry and it's cool now. But you're going to do that to the other side as well, just to make sure that it stays together. So again, you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to make another circle of glue, just like you did on the other side here. And you're going to wait for it to cool down again. There we go. You have got a wheel. Nice job. And we're just going to set that aside because now we're going to cut out our apple shape. Like I said, I've already drawn it on there. You'll have to draw yours on your square. You can do however big or small you want. And then just take your scissors and go ahead and cut this out. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put hot glue on one side, like right here, I think. Here we go. Okay. And just put it right over that dot of hot glue from earlier. Again, be careful, it's going to be kind of warm. Look at that, guys. It's really shaping up. I can totally see an apple now. And the next step I'm going to have you guys do is putting on your apple seeds. You might need help from a parent with this one because the seeds are pretty small. You could also use a glue stick if you wanted, actually. But I'm just going to use a glue gun because that's what I have. Here's the last seed. Okay, look at that. Just a couple more things to go before it is done. I think we're going to put on the leaves next. I'm going to take my two little tiny leaves here, and I think I'm going to put them on the left side. I'm going to turn it over, get my hot glue gun again, put some glue on just at the base, and stick it right there. And the next one will go on the back of that other leaf. All right, we're almost done, guys. One more thing. We're going to get that piece of twine and we're gonna make a loop so you can hang this ornament. You'll just take the ends, put them together just like this. And then we'll flip this over again. And we'll put some hot glue right up at the center there. And then you're just going to take your ends and kind of gently wedge them into that glue so you don't have to touch that glue at all because again, it's very hot. And there's a little bit that is not quite where I want it, so I'm just going to take my scissors and gently kind of poke right here to get that to settle into the glue. And it's going to dry a little bit more, and there you go. There is your apple ornament. It looks excellent, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with us this summer, you guys, and we hope you have a good school year.